it takes the whole family to solve this. And I know you've been very instrumental in getting men involved in your villages. I mean, that has been part of the solution, hasn't it?
Yeah, men are also supportive enough. For example, you know, I'm a man. I'm a man myself. But
no kidding.
but you know what? Most of the times I'm touched when I see a woman struggling, you know, dying just because of treatable and preventable situations like breach, losing a lot of blood, and what have you. Now, with that, I also have the passion that, you know, a woman has also a right to life and also right to health. These are some of the issues that even, you know, hurt me quite much. That why should women only die like goats, die like chickens, just because they want to give life and they are losing another life? That's not on.